Welcome back, Bladers. With the average price of gas continually increasing, many motorists have been feeling the pressure to look for ways to improve their fuel economy. Putting some attention towards basic auto care can lead to more mileage per liter and, in turn, more savings. Welcome to our Daily Drive. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Today, we will be talking about the 5 easy steps to better gas mileage. Number 1. Check tire pressure. Keep tires properly inflated, and you may improve your gas mileage by up to 3%. Number 2. Use the right motor oil. By using the right motor oil, you may improve gas mileage by 1 to 2% by using the grade of motor oil recommended by the manufacturer. Number 3. Replace clogged air filters. Replacing clogged air filters on older vehicles can improve fuel economy and will improve performance and acceleration on all vehicles. Number 4. Check engine performance. Regularly have your engine performance checked by your trusted mechanic to ensure that your engines are performing at its best. Keep your engine running efficiently may improve gas mileage by an average of 4%. Number 5. Keep the top of the battery clean. Dirt becomes a conductor can drain battery power. Further, as corrosion accumulates on battery terminals, it becomes an insulator, inhibiting current flow. Proactive vehicle maintenance is a motorist's best money-saving tip. Routine car care not only helps save on fuel costs, but it helps identify small issues so they can be serviced before they become bigger, which may lead to more costly repair. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on any of our new releases. For more car care and maintenance tips, visit www.blade.ph. It's Blade, it's better.